Alright, I'm gonna be honest here. One thing I never understood about school is just the obsession with triangles. And I'm talking specifically about physics because we had to calculate all these vectors, and like anything you do, the teacher's gonna hand you a 70 question paper and all you're doing is the Pythagorean theorem the whole time. So you know what? I was like, no, I'm done. I'm sick of doing 70 problems of the same exact equation over and over again. You know how many trees I've got to kill at this point? So, being the 500 IQ intellectual, I booted up some Visual Studios and a Windows GUI application so I can make a quick program to make my life just a bit easier. So, just to make my software a bit different and not a complete ripoff from the one that you can literally Google, I decided to write some code that calculates each leg depending on what you have. So instead of just doing a squared and b squared, you could put a and c and it would give you the result of b. And the same exact thing would happen if you would put b and c. I also set up some user interface elements so you could input your A, B, or C. I also wrote some script so you couldn't like fill in all three, and then a calculate button so you could calculate it. I also inserted an image so you could see like the correct placement of your numbers. After I finished, I realized, oh shoot, bruh, I'm getting screwed over by another guy, and his name is this guy. So I had to add some trigonometry functions for any of the trig problems that will pop up. So developing the trig was a bit harder because first of all I had to deal with the three choices between sine, cosine, and tangent, and their inverse. So I made methods for all of those, and I also had inputs for that. One of the other problems is in code, usually when you're using angles, it gives you the answer in radians. So I had to convert it into angles so I could do all the calculations required to get it all correct. So after compiling my code, I input my test numbers and now it should work. Now that that's fixed, we can finally have a working product. So, thanks so much for watching, and if you would like to download this program, the link is in the description down below, so you can just download that off my Google Drive if you want to use it. Please don't be cheating with it. And that's about it. I'll see you in the next one.